All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. We'd like to thank our friend Anthony at the Better Boat, betterboat.com. Make sure you check them out. We have some water spot remover here, and this quickly removes stubborn water spots without damaging the clear coat or wax finish. It has a high shine polymer coating when you spray it on here. Also helps protect against future UV rays and all that stuff. So it's really good to go ahead and use this and take care of your boat. It's also good for personal watercrafts, RVs, cars, motorcycles, ATVs, helmets, windows, and windshields, shower stall doors, and more. So we got our stern drive here, and who doesn't get water spots on their stern drive? So we're going to go ahead and soak this down with some of the water spot remover and check it out. See, we had some really bad water spots up around the sides and everything. So let's see if it gets them out. Yeah, lots of water spots. Alright, so you may need to do a couple, if you got really stubborn water spots, you're going to need to put some elbow grease into it and really start rubbing it and getting them out. Look at that. Shining it right up. And you may have to do this a couple times depending on how bad your water spots are. Man, that is definitely taking them up though. A little bit of elbow grease, like I said, depending on how bad they are. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. It's looking shiny again. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gleaming. I think it's the best the stern drive's looked since it was brand new. All right, I mean, you could just tell just looking at that. So, and this is obviously a 37-year-old boat and just as old stern drive. So if you even have a newer one, it's going to make it look even better. So if this can make a 37-year-old stern drive remove the water spots and make it look that good, then it'll do good for your newer boats. So, all right. And you can use this on glass. They do recommend, once you use it on the glass to get your spots out, to go ahead and use regular windshield cleaner afterwards to prevent any streaking or anything like that from the actual solution of this. But yeah, we're all set here. This stuff works great, as you can see. Nice shiny stern drive again. No water spots. And that's an old stern drive. So, all right, go ahead and check them out. Betterboat.com, water spot remover. And make sure you like, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.